Good morning, students. Have a nice day. Welcome to 6th Standard English class. I hope all are safe by God's grace. Today we are going to see about composition exercise, exercise 9 and 10. First composition exercise, picture composition, and second one, formal letter. In your English textbook, page number 122, H exercise. Look at the picture of a village festival carefully. Talk about the activities that are going on by using the hints given in the help box. This is the picture composition. First we discuss about what is picture writing. These pictures and drawings are usually considered to be a forerunner of true writing and are characterized by stereotype, exclusions, and by omission of all details not necessary for the expression of the communication. An account based on the picture. Here, the students are required to give an account of what that picture suggests them. Following points should be taken care of while writing an account of the picture. First one, introduction. Second one, body or context. Third one, conclusion. Introduction. A brief introduction of the picture, what it suggests and its effects on the people and the environment. Body or content. The ideas and thoughts that are the students receive from the picture should be mentioned and linked in a correct and meaningful sequence. Third one, conclusion. Bringing the composition to an end with carefully rounding of the thoughts, feelings, and returning to the specific subject. Next, points to be kept in mind while writing a picture composition. First one, the content chosen must be directly related to the given picture while attempting picture composition. The student must maintain the connection and the focus between the picture and the content. The full structure of the composition should be analyzed in the mind before starting the writing based on picture. As the word limit is going to range between 100 to 150 words, the student must try to spread out his ideas so that there is variety of ideas in his composition. Use of simple language and imagination is required. Logical expression of the entire idea based on the picture will make it an effective composition. The points about picture composition. Aim to arrange different subjects and visual elements into a well-balanced and attractive form within the picture frame. The elements a photographer uses include lines, forms, texture, balance, symmetry, depth, colors, outlook, scale, and lightening. Okay students, take your English composition note. First write the index page, date 17/11/2021, exercise number 9, picture composition. Next, inside the page, write left hand side of the page, heading should be mentioned, picture composition. Look at the picture of your village festival carefully. Talk about the activities that are going on by using the hints given in the help box. Some of the hints here about the place and the people, what is happening, what do the children and the adults do, kind of shops, performance. Next, continue for the right hand side of the page, date and exercise number, picture composition. Next, title, village festival. This is a village festival where there is a lot of bustling going around. There is a temple close by. The people are going to the temple and fulfilling their rites. There are loudspeakers from which holy songs are being heard to the public. There are many vendors on the way to the temple. There are people selling fruits, sweets, ice creams, garlands, coconuts, balloons, and clothes. Some people are pulling a chariot carrying a god or a goddess. We can see some girls dancing and others are playing some instruments in front of the chariot. Everyone is enthusiastic and they are engaged in various activities. Children are enjoying buying ice creams and playing on their way to the temple. This scenery is a busy place for various activities. Next, formal letter. What is a formal letter? A formal letter is one written in a formal and ceremonious language and follows a certain stipulated format. Such letters are written for official purposes to authorities, dignitaries, colleagues, seniors, etc., and not to personal contacts, friends, or family. Next, parts of a business letter. What are the steps parts in formal letters? The heading. The heading contains the written address with the date on the last line. Recipient address. This is the address you are sending your letter to. Next one, the salutation. Next, the body of the letter. Next, complimentary clause. Next, the signature line. And last one, enclosures. Next, write the index page of the composition note. Date 22/11/2021, exercise number 10. Content, formal letter. Next, inside of the page, as usual to follow, right hand side of the page, formal letter, heading, write a letter to the municipal chairman complaining about the drainage system in your locality. Next, move to the right hand side of the page, as usual to follow, date, exercise number, formal letter. Next, from address. Your name, write in your name. Next, your door number, your street and your area, your city, pin code number. For example, some of your name, Kumar, number 42, Kamaraja Salai, Ariyanguppam, Puducherry, pin code number 4. This is the model of the from address. So all of you write in your address, name and pin code number. Next one, to address, the municipal chairman, municipality main branch, municipal campus, Puducherry 605001. Respected Sir. Sub. Requisition for upgrading the drainage system regarding. I am a resident of Kamarajar Colony. It rains frequently in our area. Rainwater stagnates everywhere. It helps the mosquitoes to breed. The people suffer from many diseases. Our drainage is not properly maintained. So, I humbly request you to kindly take necessary steps to keep and maintain our drainage system periodically. Thanking you. Yours sincerely. Write in your name. Address on the envelope. To address, the municipal chairman, municipality main branch, municipal campus, Puducherry 1. Okay children, I hope all are watching this video class and PDF link. Today's assignment, read and write given exercise number 9 and 10. Write in your English composition note. Write in cursive style and neat presentation. Follow the instructions. Watch the YouTube video link till you understand. Complete the given assignment and report on time without fail. Take care children. Thank you. Best wishes.